the new video's coming. Even both that excited.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our grey, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It chose the way. Not looking for no, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off,
You're going to be on my YouTube eventually. And you are. Am I? No, it's looking pretty good, isn't it? Better than it's ever been.
show us up, show my own. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above.
We've got to get the first impressions, haven't we? Wow.
It's not perfect, but it's lovely.
It's not perfect. Why would you say that?
Yeah. Why would you run yourself
Why
down?
would you say that?
Because you track laid it and God knows what he did to that. It's fit to the bin. In terms of pieces, I think you can repair that.
And you put the badge on.
I did. And I put new gaskets on your parking sensors.
Lovely, guys. Thank you. As you well know, I smacked my car, 20-mile-an-hour impact, and I pushed one of the grills in. I haven't got it down here now because it's down the body shop. I left it with them to match up the bumper. But these are my original ones, and they got a few stone chips, obviously, from track days and so on. But you can see from these are the new ones. They've only got like single bars, and these are the genuine ones, and they got twin bars. And what I've done is from the new ones, taken the outer ring off. That's right, people, ring, nice. And I've attached it to this one, so I keep the emblem, the M4 emblem, and these are double grills. So all I'm going to do, 28 quid from eBay, lovely, is I use the new gloss finish, put them on the old inner grills, and hopefully that should fit. But all the clips line up, fit perfectly, so I won't be using these. You never know, I'll probably crash it again, so I'll probably end up needing a few more. But that's that part. 28 quid for these delivered, brand new, and 100 quid for these. So yeah, you can see what I'm trying to do. Scrimp a little bit because track car. Over. Right guys, just picking up my bumper today from Lloyd's for Finishers, and he's even gave me a t-shirt. Could have ironed it for me, couldn't he, hey? Oh well. This is a bumper with the grills back in. You can see it was all cracked and they plastic welded along there, but I don't know how well this is picking it up. But I bought some grills, as I mentioned in the earlier video, and they fitted back in just nicely. Put the badges back in, the grills are on. Yes, I can show you the repair. So it was cracked all down there, and these plastic welded, put some mesh and that in there as well, and we've got another drop up there and filled that hole, but you can see how clean it is, apart from the dirt there. But yeah, it's immaculate. I don't think it was ever this clean, ever. Looks amazing. bumper is on, yeah, it's looking very nice. As you can see, it doesn't line up too bad. And I'm no body shop panel beater or expert in fitting bumpers, but it's not too bad. Got a couple of little alignments which I need to adjust for when I fit the brake ducts, which are going to be cut into there, and the canards, so the bumper's got to come off again anyway, but it's not too bad.